Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the flagship smartphones. The Sony Xperia 1 Max 8 Galaxy S26 Ultra and Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. Xiaomi 1 Mark 8 comes with 6.5 inches LTPO OLED display, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with 6.9 inches dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x display, and the Xiaomi 17 Ultra comes with 6.9 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, 3 speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprints. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.